Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show you how to make macaroni salad using an easy method. This classic side dish is perfect for any gathering, and with just a few simple steps, you will have a delicious, creamy salad ready in no time. We will cover everything from cooking the pasta perfectly to mixing up that irresistible dressing. Get ready to impress your friends and family with this delightful recipe, requiring minimal effort and delivering maximum flavor. First, let's get our pasta ready. You will want to boil about 8 ounces of elbow macaroni in a pot of generously salted water. Cook it until it's perfectly al dente, which usually takes around 7 minutes. Once cooked, drain the macaroni well and immediately rinse it under cold running water. This step is super important because it stops the cooking process and prevents the pasta from becoming sticky. Make sure it's completely cool before moving on. Now for the heart of our macaroni salad, the creamy dressing and fresh vegetables. In a medium bowl, whisk together 1 cup of your favorite mayonnaise, 2 tablespoons of white vinegar, and 1 teaspoon of sugar. This combination creates a lovely balance of tang and sweetness. Then, finely dice about 1/2 cup of celery, 1/4 cup of red onion, and 1/4 cup of bell pepper. Stir these vibrant veggies into your dressing, along with salt, black pepper, and a pinch of paprika to taste. Finally, it's time to bring everything together. In a large mixing bowl, gently combine your completely cooled macaroni, the prepared diced vegetables, and that delicious creamy dressing. Stir everything until all the ingredients are evenly coated, ensuring every bite will be bursting with flavor. Once mixed, cover the bowl tightly and place it in the refrigerator to chill for at least 1 hour. This chilling time allows the flavors to meld beautifully, making your macaroni salad even more delightful. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.